Let us discuss a definition on the exponential distribution. First of all, where the exponential distribution can be defined. The exponential distribution can be defined in the continuous distribution only, in the continuous random variables, where we are conducting or where we are applying this exponential distribution means if we conduct a game, the gap in between of the trial to trial, then that is, in that case, we are using the exponential distribution. And in the machines also, we are using the exponential distribution. First, we can start the mission and off the mission, and again, the breakdowns of the in between of the two starting time arrivals, that is the in between of the time gap we are calculating, that is the exponential distribution. And one more thing, if we can take the call in a call center, we take the call from customer to customer, then in the gap between the one call to another call, we can take the some time. That time gap is, in that case, we are applying the exponential distribution. Actually, how we can define the exponential distribution means the exponential distribution can be defined in the continuous function, in the continuous random variable, and it can be defined as f of x equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x, where lambda value is a parameter and x should be greater than 0. We are calculating the starting time, the negative values. In the negative values, the function will be 0. And in another way, it can be defined as x is a random variable. It is said to be an exponential distribution with parameter lambda, and the lambda value is a positive. And if it's a probability density function is given by f of x comma lambda is equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x, where x should be greater than 0 and it tends to whatever the value up to infinity, that is 0 is less than x is less than infinity and lambda is greater than 0. In negative values of the x, the function will be 0, the function should be 0. In the exponential distribution, the mean is 1 by lambda, standard deviation is also 1 by lambda, median is also 1 by lambda. And here most frequent value mode is 0, means we are taking for 100 calls or 200 calls or 1000 calls or whatever the calls in a day, we are taking gap from one call to another call, that arrival time. Then that is the breakdowns are happened. In that the breakdowns are more in the day, in a month, or whatever we can calculate it, that will be 0. So the most frequent value is 0. Already I discussed the example. The successive breakdowns of a machine will be exponentially distributed, and time gap between two successive arrivals to a waiting a line known as inter-arrival time will be exponential distributed. And here, suppose we are ringing a call and the other line, they are shifting a time. The lifting of a time, it is taking some time, that is the exponentially distributed. అంతే ఇక్కడి వరకే మనకి అది ఉంది. ఈరోజు ముహూర్తం బాగాలేదు కదా.